We've got an emergency. Alex was riding his super trike and the brakes stopped working. Now he's on a runaway ride through the city. Paw Patrol, let's save Alex. No job is too big, no pup is too small. We're going to need 2 pups for this runaway rescue. First, we need our pup in blue who can stop traffic and catch Alex. Use your mouse to click on the pup for the job. Yes! Chase is our police pup. He'll be able to stop Alex. Okay, great. Next, we need a pup who has lots of tools and a green truck. Yes! Rocky's sure to have something to fix Alex's trike. All right! Paw Patrol is on a roll! Chase is on the case. Don't dive into any big feathers. Feathers will make me sneeze and slow down. Watch out for water puddles. They'll make me spin out. Let's go over that ramp to jump up and grab the pup tree. Oh, yeah! Let's go over the arrows in the express lane for a speed boost. Going through! Ow, ow, ow. I've got a trike to track. Oh, there's a badge! Let's get it! Good job! We got the first going through! Ow, ow, ow. Oh, yeah! Chase is on the case! There's a patch! Oh, yeah! Going through! Ow, ow, ow. Going through! Ow, ow. Achoo. Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Going through! We have almost all the badges we... Oh, yeah! Going through! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! There's a badge! Let's get it! Another badge! Great job! Oh, yeah! Going through! There's a badge! Let's get it! We got all the badges! Time for some going through! Press the space bar. Now this is super fast chase! Let's grab those treats! We're in range! Let's launch the net to catch Alex! Press the space bar! You got him! Nice job! These paws uphold the laws and keep Adventure Bay safe. Rocky, now you can use your recycled things to fix the brakes on Alex's super trike. Great job, pups!